Welcome back with
shit.
Where's yours?
Oh, it's all the way over there.
Where's mine? I get mine. I'm gonna get mine next week.
Oh, it's coming next week?
Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We mod it. So hi guys, this is the Primal squad. This is not car talk like last week because it was really weird. We were all sober. We were on the clock, so we're sober.
We're always jacked up on knobs.
Yeah, jacked up on Mountain Dew. So we actually found this video. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Maybe you guys did see it already, but I am fresh at this. But we're gonna be talking about a car that looks like a futuristic GTR. Oh, geez. Nissan GT R50.
Damn.
But I'll give you guys a little background. It was a special design. I think a 50-year anniversary, and it's a festival for MasterCard. So let's check it out. So what do you guys think? What do you think of the front?
It looks like a catfish.
It looks like a whale.
It doesn't look that bad.
Oh, it's ugly.
God.
It's hideous.
What happened?
The doors are the same,
Yeah, the size.
but everything in the front and the
The
back
front's
not.
cool. It's maybe it's no.
Yo, what's
like
up with
the
that
front.
wing though?
That wing.
It looks weird.
It's.
I don't know.
What do you think of
That's
the
how it
color
sounds?
scheme? I guess. Look at this front.
Damn.
Okay, tell me about the front. Okay, start with the headlights. It kind of looks like a Ferrari.
Yeah,
I like it.
Yeah,
Right?
458
Front.
for
I
sure.
like the headlights are cool.
The hood's the same.
The hood looks the
It's
same.
the same, yeah.
What do you think of the catfish?
Yeah,
Reminds me of a whale opening its mouth.
It's
I don't know.
just bad.
I kind of like it if it wasn't in that color scheme.
Okay, all black.
Blacked out would look aggressive.
I think it'll look good with all black.
No.
But
Because then it'd be blacked out with just a little badge. It'd be like a floating badge.
Yeah.
No, granted, I want to see a big silver front mount in it.
Silver front mount.
Like
You like front
like,
mounts.
like fat front mount.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you could still
Yeah, there's
hide
a
it
little
right
bit
there on the bottom.
Yeah.
So you guys don't, you
And
don't
there-
like the gold
No,
thing?
but when you look
I
at it,
don't
there
like the
actually
color.
is like detail in there that they're just trying not to show.
Yeah. It looks sick though.
I like the headlights, dude.
The headlights are Ferrari.
Look at the hold on, the side mirrors.
If anything, I like the new.
Side mirrors are cool.
The side mirrors
little?
are babies.
Yeah, I like babies.
I don't think they'll keep that.
Oh no, they won't.
Okay, because it's not safe.
Yeah.
The side looks the same. Oh,
I
how
mean,
about
it does
that
look-
rear quarter panel? Or the rear,
Angular that is. That's
fat.
weird.
Look at that spoiler.
Look right there. It looks still like block that. It looks
Yeah.
like a GTR.
Oh,
still.
yeah.
That's it.
But then you see the back.
Look at the back window.
So
Damn.
Soda ugly. It sounds like.
I mean,
a
it
little-
sounds good.
It sounds pretty sick.
Yeah, it sounds good.
I guess I'm just used to
don't know?
mine.
It's super
I'm
oh
used to
my
mine.
It's souped up. This one.
What do you think of the tail lights?
That's
No.
hideous.
No.
The whole trunk
I mean, they still
area.
have the GTR. I mean,
It still has
it's
the
still
style.
yeah, it's still the GTR style,
But
but
the trunk and the
it's-
rest
Hey,
of
what's
it
that
is
car that
gross.
has round headlights? That kind of like, is it the Cobalt or?
oh, the
round taillights.
Yeah, like
There's
this.
a Cobalt.
Is
Yeah.
it Cobalt?
Cobalt.
And Paula's.
There
I
you go.
think.
the next Cobalt.
That sounds pretty good, actually. Yeah.
Granted, this is a concept car, and they may have it souped up for the track.
Well, it's supposed to be a special edition car for the event for MasterCard for celebrating its 50 years.
Yeah.
So some people are speculating this is possibly like a hint of what an R36 could look like.
They may pull goods and bads from it.
They're
but-
probably waiting for people like us to bash it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I like the headlights a lot. What do you guys like?
I like everything that's not the rear.
Okay, the rear is hideous.
I don't like the
I
rear.
think I could.
I would
agree
like
with
to
Sargo.
see the front end details inside the catfish mount to
Yeah.
actually be like picked out and chosen, because there is details in there. There's cross member bars,
Yeah.
there's ventilation feeding into the turbos, and they really need to show that stuff off.
Okay, what do you like?
It's hard to tell.
Let's see. You don't like anything?
No, I mean, I like the car, but I don't know. I don't think the front's kind of weird. It kind of reminds me of what you said about the catfish about.
He said that.
Or
I said
you.
catfish.
That you said about the Mustang. How you said how you hate that catfish feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then it's like it's kind of like it kind of comes back to that. It's kind of like weird, but it's like
But I get what they're doing. They're trying to do like a design feature.
yeah.
Okay. So would you buy one?
I would got one.
If the rear wasn't like that, probably.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy it.
I'd
With the
rather-
rear like that. Yeah, if the rear wasn't like that.
I'd rather have a 2018 GTR. I love those headlights.
Yeah.
That car is amazing.
I like these headlights.
These headlights
These
are
headlights are
impressive.
sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Imagine at night, you just getting followed by that.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, like Ferrari.
Yeah.
All right, guys, in the comments below, let me know if you guys like it. If this is an R36, let's just play the what if game. If this was an R36, what would you guys do? Would you guys get one? And you cannot change anything about it. Colors, obviously, but if this was R36, what would you say? I say a big no.
Nope.
No.
I say,
Yeah, so yes.
No.
No.
damn,
Yeah,
I'm
bro.
the only one?
What's up, bro?
I mean, the back's ugly, but it's still...
The back's
it's
ugly.
still-
I guess if you back into every single parking spot you ever park
You
at
just
up
hide
against
it.
a wall.
Everywhere's a car meet. Okay, let's move on to the next video. This thing is a courtesy of Mustang. I don't know how old this video is, but it was sent to me from a lot of random people.
This might be a recent street takeover.
But this is typical street takeovers that fucked up the community. But anyways.
Oh my god.
That is a Beamer?
No.
Beamer
No, that's a Mercedes. Ooh.
Damn. He got Mustanged.
Damn. Okay. So, okay, you guys are all what, over 18, right? Cool. We'll assume that. All over 18, right?
Yeah.
And
He's not. He's a baby.
he's a baby. So this guy is like blind leading the blind. And
Blind leading the blind.
yeah, blind leading the blind. And the title of this one is Your Teacher Doesn't Like You or the Sex Advice You Give.
Oh,
So
damn,
blind
God.
leading the blind, so virgin leading the virgins, okay? So let's watch this and yeah.
So hey, after you lean in, give her a little surprise, you know, welcome her. You want to kind of go in there and go like, you kind of want to just do that and kind of like lick back and lick forward, like you're fucking her, but like.
Can you show us like you?
Hey,
Oh.
how inappropriate is this? Go sit down. And your advice sucks.
Damn.
Hey, how badass is that teacher though? So yeah, so that's so if you ever need advice for the ladies, this is the guy. Hey, you guys have any friends like this in high school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sure we all had that one friend.
Oh,
And that
man.
one teacher.
Yeah.
I had some savage teachers.
Yeah, that teacher's a savage.
Love it. All right, next video.
We need more teachers. like that.
Don't ever take Big Bertha out for a ride.
Oh,
Make
no,
sure she
not
puts her
Bertha.
seatbelt on. This is, I know, it's an older video, but it just made me fucking laugh, which I shouldn't because she probably got hurt.
I never seen it.
Big Bertha, hold
Oh
on,
my god.
hold on, Big Bertha. Out you go. Ejectocito, cuz.
Damn.
Yeah, that's what happens. Ooh, that's legit though. Look at the wheelie on this thing. Look at that.
Damn. What is that even for?
It's just some redneck stuff.
Fuck, I don't even know.
Seriously, it's what it is. I think it's
It looks like
for-
half of a hot tub.
Yeah, it probably is.
Watch out for that goddamn swamp.
Watch out them gators though.
Watch out for them gators.
Gators, Abdullah Abngada. And last one for the Mustangs.
That's not that bad. I've seen worse.
Yeah.
Still.
But still, that's like he
It
got
sucks.
Mustangs. He already had
sucks.
done it though. Look, his
Yeah.
bumper was already a different color.
See, the thing is, like, people like get upset at Mustang drivers,
Yeah.
but a crowd of people are egging him on
Yeah.
to do it, and then they get mad that he hits a car.
Essentially, Mustang drivers
think-
get baited.
Yeah. Yes.
I
There you
think
go.
yeah, people want it.
Cat-
Want it.
cat-
Not all the
Yeah.
time though, because it is kind of their fault
Yeah.
for doing it.
Do we have a Mustang? No, we don't have any Mustang drivers.
No.
Any
Okay.
Mustang lovers here?
No,
No.
No, you guys don't like Mustang?
I like the Kev's model.
Yeah,
Kev's-
Kev's is
Kev's
probably
pretty
the only.
nice.
Yeah.
But
I
his,
like.
but his Mustang's slow.
Yeah. Oh. No, well,
It's
it
not
used
that
to be
bad.
fast
Yeah,
until he got in trouble.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's
Oh,
going. He'll,
yeah.
it'll be there again.
Yeah, so he was like all go, little show. Now it's all show, no go, because he got in trouble. And it's weird because Kevin's like the nicest guy.
Yeah.
And demeanor wise, he's super nice.
yeah.
For someone to
see,
stay
but Kev
ref
doesn't
him.
seem like the typical Mustang driver. Like,
Yeah.
He's not
Yeah.
gonna
I would
like
imagine Kevin a Prius. And then
Right.
I would have been in that Jeep running him over. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, different setting, no green screen, no crazy ass commercials like we did last time. We're doing construction right now. Hey, let me swing the camera around. This is the construction zone. The zone, what we're doing right now. I went ahead and interrupted the crew while they're working to do this quick commentary for you guys. But didn't want to leave you guys hanging with no video on a Wednesday. But thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye from the Vape Cloud crew. Apparently, there's there's 4 of us right here. 2 of them vape now, and there's 2 of us that don't.
Shit, they're gonna try you guys.
Yeah.
To do
Yeah. So I might be number 3. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.